Welcome back to Double or Nothing Slots. Today I'm playing Chicken Fox again. This is just a slightly different version of it. This is called Stellar Cash Chicken Fox 5 times Skillstar. So there's a couple of different features from the Chicken Fox games we've already played. One thing is this little spaceship. If we can collect 3 of those, we enter a special bonus mode. $100 for that spin, very nice. Started with $1,000. We are betting $60 a spin, which is quite a big bet. But we're going for it today. $410 for that. Love our wild grannies. $440, right back up to where we started at $1,000. Let's see if we can get those golden eggs to get a bonus. I think we need 3 of them if I'm remembering right. So close. Jacks all the way across for 200. Starting to get low on funds here, especially with this big bet, so we need something to happen soon. Oh, those wilds will help. 150. Lots of piggies. 280. Those bonuses just aren't wanting to play along with us today. We've gotten neither one of them so far. Coming up on our last few spins. And last one. There we go. Thank you so much for watching Double or Nothing Slots. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.